Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block Instagram on Google Chrome in PC using an extension. As you can see, I want to block Instagram. First step is to go to the extension and go to Manage Extension. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for Site Blockers. Choose any. I will choose this. Click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and the extension will be added successfully. As you can see here, now go to Extensions and click on Block Site. Type in Instagram.com and click on OK. And as you can see, Instagram has been successfully restricted or blocked in your PC. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.